Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today you will learn th sound. Th sound in starting, middle and ending. Th sound. So let's start th sound in starting. Th ream. Th ream. Th ream. Tree. 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 Now speak with me students. Th ream. Th ream. Th ream. Tree. 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 Well done students. Now we will learn th sound in middle. Kitten. 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 Well done students. Repeat with me. Kitten. 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 Well done students. Kitten. Repeat again. Kitten. Now we will learn the sound in ending. Bat. 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 Now it's your turn. Repeat with me students. Bat. 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 Well done student. Hope you have learned the sound in starting, middle and ending. Now we will repeat all the sound. The sound in starting. Tree. 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 Well done students. The sound in middle. Kitten. 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 The sound in ending. Bat. 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 Well done student. Hope you have learned the sound in starting, middle and ending. Allah Hafiz.